Notice ne haste rogno khagoi tonike barat hakotor ne hamkhrai angai mania avoni bagaino notice ne haste rogo hamkhrani boyar sogoi rinani bagai dalvidal samang botani yaprina harga kendro hafa abotabok joto nondogoi bumano shawoi bumano notice ne joto ne sai kotor virkung khola tripura haste namjaka tripura haste agewa kaisano national highway tongmani fiaba montri bokrok mudini lowaizimong bai tabok tripura wa kaidok national highway tongo tabok tebo kaithap national highway namnane bagai Manka Tripura Haste. Sashala Agulini Sukanto Economiwo Indian Building Congress ni Tripura Bedek Hastini PWD Tang Bedek Village Development Tang Bedek Tay Agortala Municipal Corporation ni Lowaizimong by Songsaza Kaisa Panda Umanjagai Haikena Hastini Tanglai Sutang Bedek ni montri Sushanta Chowdhury Shaka Hastewo Kendro Hafangni Bukhakti Saklai Zagmani Joto Hamkwraini samungno TV Ashala saikhwnarikha montri
cannot take place unless and until Northeastern region is developed. So we termed it as Ashtalakshmi, not seven sister. These are Ashtalakshmi. And this area of region is blessed with mesmerizing natural beauty, which attracts tourists from other parts of the country as well as from outside. We have minerals in the Northeastern region. And we are contributing 2.9% in the national GDP. Although it is very less compared to the other region, but true development cannot take place isolating Northeastern region. And you all might be knowing that in the recent past, the development which has taken place in terms of infrastructure means roadways, airways, waterways, construction of buildings, everything has been very, very visible to all of us.
Ashalni Pandavo Montrino Karibu Manjaka Indian Building Congress ni President C. Devnath, Founder President O.P. Goyal, the Indian Building Congress Tripura Tangbedek ni Chairman S.L. Bumik Akosho. Bureau Report. Kok Khorang.